Alright, so before I let the spring down, I'm not tightening all of this stuff down here, guys. I'm snugging it up, but that can wait on the alignment guy. So when I plated these guys, there's sometimes when you plate the threads, if you overplate, let me see if that's the reason, or is it just, yeah. Alright, so it's just the plating on this. So what I'm going to actually do, guys, I don't have another one that's plated. I'm going to take this and get one of the old A-arm rods, and I'm going to tighten this up and get this clean these threads up, guys. Alright, so I ran that in another one that's older, and I ran it in there a couple of times. So now let me see if this one will go in here now. Alright, I might have to put this in the sandblaster, guys. I might just have to sandblast these threads just a little bit, because I still don't like how that's going in there. So let me sandblast these threads. Alright, so guys, hey, I sandblasted that bolt some. So now it should screw in there really, really easy now. See that? I just sandblasted some of that plating off of there. I still got the plating on the head. Alright, like I said, I don't want to tighten these down too much, guys. Alright. Alright, so now I want to loosen this up. Alright, so guys, to get this right where I want it, either, you got a wrench, or I just want to turn that coil spring compressor just a little bit, so that'll fall right in place, right where I want it, guys. So now, yep, this thing is coming on up out of here. It's just a little bit at a time, guys, I'm telling you, because I don't have a socket. I don't even know if they make a socket that's 3 inches deep. They might for like semis and trucks, but I don't really know. But anyway, I'm just taking this off slowly but surely. And that's falling right where I want it to, just by me turning that. So I can tell the pressure is almost off of here. I'm gonna be able to turn this by hand pretty quick. I'm almost there. My arms are getting tired. All right. Alright, so then I'll bump that just a little bit to get the plate to drop loose. Man, this is the easiest spring compressor that I've ever used, guys. I'm telling you, it's just the easiest. So let me come in. When I hit that, it just bumps everything loose. So then everything falls up out of here, guys. Sorry for the light. I don't know why the camera, it's got a light that cuts on sometime. It's not cutting on. But yeah, after I bump that loose, then I'm gonna just screw this down, guys. Alright, so now guys, check this out. Hopefully you can see in here. Now you're not going to be able to push this up through the top, so you got to hold down on this. And you got to screw, all I'm doing is screwing that top plate down on the spring. I'm just going to screw it down, guys. The first time I did it, I'm like, oh no, how do I get this thing out of here? But see that? I'm going to just screw it out. I'm going to push it up. Get my finger in here some kind of way. Get this pin out of here. There, if I can get the pin out. Then your rod is going to come out, guys. Then I'm going to screw this one up some and get this one to come out. I can screw this one going the wrong way. Screw it down till it falls out. And that's it, guys. The easiest spring compressor I have ever used, guys. I mean, oh my God, first time I ever felt good about a doggone spring compressor. So now that's sitting right where it needs to be. That's good. So I'm good, guys. The springs are in here now. That's what's going to be, to me, the scariest and hardest part of this whole build to me. So I was gonna have to see if Buick Bob could come over and help me, and he said he normally hit them in and whatever, you know, and give them the pop in. But by me painting all of this, and this paint being so expensive, this time I didn't even scratch nothing up, guys. So, I mean, wow. So, alright guys, so hey, I'm telling you guys, best spring compressor ever, man. I mean, you get this set up, wow. I mean, it's it's easy smeezy. I never dealt with a spring compressor that works so easily and compress the spring. I mean, and if you see, I didn't even have to hammer this in there, guys. Man, best spring compressor. So the spring is in there. I felt safe doing it the whole time. Love this spring compressor, guys. I'm telling you, it's just, wow. So, alright guys, so hey, if you like, and if you learn anything from this channel, subscribe and hit the thumbs up button. You hit the thumbs up button, it gets my content out there and let other people see what's going on. Share this spring compressor, guys. Share this with a friend, man. I mean, it's an OTC, and if I get enough people, if you comment, I put the part numbers and everything in there if I get enough comments and people interested. But it's really, really good spring compressor, guys. So see if you can find one, enough comments, I'll let you know where I got it from. All right. So all right guys, now that front end is completed. It's on there, both sides. I got both sides in. Now I can start putting, I got to take the rotors in and have them turned. And I did scratch a few pieces on this side, so I'll just be doing touch-up paint on this side. But it's fine. It'll be fine. But man, that front end is coming along good on that car, guys. All right.